So let's proceed to the lesson 8. This is a common expressions about road and wall signs. So here in this lesson, we learn about some of the road and wall signs. So in Cebuano, if we say hulat, in English, that is wait. So hulat, wait. In Cebuano, if we say tabuk, in English, that is cross. So tabuk, cross. If we say sakay in Cebuano, in English, that is load or ride. Sakay, load or ride. Naog. So in English, that is unload or get off. So in Cebuano, if we say naog, in English, that is unload or get off. So in Cebuano, if we say parkingan, in English, that is park, where the vehicle stay. Now, so parkingan. In Cebuano, if we say laag, in English, that is stroll. So laag, stroll. In Cebuano, if we say sulod, in English, that is enter. So sulod, enter. Gawas. So if we say gawas, in English, that is go out. So gawas, go out. In Cebuano, if we say kaon, in English, that is eat. So kaon, eat. Age. So in Cebuano, if we say age, in English, that is pass. So age, pass. Cebuano, that is tabukanan. If we say tabukanan, in English, that is pedestrian crossing. So tabukanan, pedestrian crossing. In Cebuano, if we say hulatanan, that is waiting area. So hulatanan, hulatanan. So in English, that is waiting area. Sakayan, loading area. So if we say sakayan in English, that is a loading area. Nauganan. So if we say nauganan in English, hi ma'am. Nauganan, unloading area. Laaganan, strolling place. So if we say laaganan, that is a strolling place. Sudlanan. In English, that is entrance. If we say sudlanan, that is entrance. Kananan, that is eatery. So in Cebuano, if we say kananan, that is eatery. Gausanan, that is exit. So if we say gausanan, that is exit. Agianan, in English, that is a passageway. So in Cebuano, if we say agianan, in English, that is passageway. But don't you know that Ligo City is one of the responsible city because of the political leaders that they have, a nice place to live, and an almost zero crime, accessible to the other cities, forever in the shadow of Davao City, and that place is Ligo City, located in Mindanao.